In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and interact with your Spotify 2025 wrapped in any web browser. By the end, you'll be enjoying the full experience without needing the mobile app. Start by opening your preferred browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, or whichever you use, and head to Spotify.com Wrapped. This page is built for both desktop and mobile browsers, so it should look great whether you're on a computer or a phone. Give the page a moment to load, and make sure you're on the official Spotify site before proceeding. If you're already signed into Spotify on the web, you'll likely jump straight into your Wrapped. If not, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign in with your usual Spotify credentials. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to confirm your identity with a verification code. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. Once you're in, the Wrapped experience will begin right away. From here, you can interact with your full 2025 Wrapped just like you would in the app. Click or tap to move through the story-style cards that highlight your top artists, your most played songs, genres, minutes listened, and other personalized insights for the year. Use the on-screen controls to pause, go back, or skip ahead, and turn on your speakers or headphones if you want to hear previews as you browse. You'll also find options to save playlists inspired by your year and share highlight cards on social media directly from the browser. If Wrapped doesn't load or something looks off, a few quick fixes usually solve it. First, try clearing your browser cache. Old site data can sometimes prevent new content from showing correctly, and a fresh cache helps your browser fetch the latest version of the page. You'll find cache controls in your browser's privacy or history settings. Just remember that clearing cached files may sign you out of some sites, so be ready to log back in. Next, if you're using a VPN, disable it and refresh the page. Wrapped relies on certain region and service checks, and VPNs can occasionally interfere. Finally, if the web page still won't cooperate, open the Spotify app and type 2025 Wrapped into the search bar. It's live worldwide as of December 3rd, 2025, so it should appear there as well. That's all you need to access your Spotify 2025 Wrapped on the web. Enjoy exploring your year in music, revisit your favorites, and share your highlights right from your browser.